Hi everyone, Mbote Vandekonanga. Welcome to a new video. Today's topic is on professions. We're going to learn few professions in Lingala, how to say few words for profession in Lingala. We're going to learn how to say, I am a doctor, I am a baker. So my learning objective is to be able to say different professions in Lingala. And the second one is to say your profession in Lingala, or someone else, your friend, your brother, your sister's profession in Lingala. So before we start, I'm just going to remind you that I'll bring up the new word, I'll say it for the first time, I'll say it fast, and then for the second time, I'll just break it down to allow you to listen and to repeat it after me, and then the third time, I'll just say it normally, just to allow you to say it, to repeat after me. So that's it. Let's get started. The first word is Nazali. 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 I am. Azali. 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 His or she's. Mopanzi sango. Mopanzi sango. Mopanzi sango. A journalist. Moteki. 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 A sailor. Mokatisuki. 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 A barber. Mokangisuki. 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 Hairdresser. Molambi. 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 Chef. Mosalimapa. 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 A baker. Mobini. 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 Mobongisimituka. 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 A mechanic. Sango. 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 A priest. Sinzili. 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 Security guard. Mobetindembo. 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 A footballer. Mwana ya musala. Mwana ya musala. Mwana ya musala. Housemaid. Soda. 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 A soldier. Zuzi. 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 A judge. Moyekoli. 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 A learner. Alanga nzembo. Alanga nzembo. Alanga nzembo. a singer or a musician. Molobi mbisi. Molobi mbisi. Molobi mbisi. A fisherman. Motongi ndaku. Motongi ndaku. Motongi ndaku. A builder. Monganga. 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 A doctor. Or you could also say munganga, the same. Monganga or munganga. A doctor. Molakisi. 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 A teacher or a professor. So that's it. Okay, now the next step, going to have a kind of an assessment. We have two activities. The first one, activity 1, it's a kind of a multiple choice activity. 4 choices to pick from. So the word will be in English. You have to find the Lingala for it. Off we go. Number 1. What is the Lingala word for a doctor? Mobini, Zuzi, Monganga, Motei. 5 seconds. Monganga. Number 2. What is the Lingala word for a soldier? Soda, Soloda, Monganga, Moyembi. 5 seconds. Soda. Number 3. What is the Lingala for a learner? Soda, Soloda, Mobini, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Moyekoli. Number 4. What is the Lingala word for a dancer? Mobini, Motei, Monganga, Molakisi. 5 seconds. Mobini. Number 5. What is the Lingala word for a judge? Soda, Zuzi, Molakisi, Moyembi. 5 seconds. Zuzi. Number 6. What is the Lingala word for a fisherman? Soda, Molobimbisi, Soloda, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Molobimbisi. Number 7. What is the Lingala word for a teacher? Mobini, Zuzi, Molakisi, Motei. 5 seconds. Molakisi. Number 8. What is the Lingala word for a sailor? Mopaya, Moteki, Monganga, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Moteki. Number 9. What is the Lingala for a journalist? Mopanzi Sango, Sango, Soda, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Mopanzi Sango. Number 10. What is the Lingala for a musician? Molakisi, Motei, Alanganzembo, Mobini. 5 seconds. alanga nzembo. Number 11. What is the Lingala word for hairdresser? Zuzi, Soloda, Molakisi, Mokangisuki. 5 seconds. Mokangisuki. Number 12 and the last one for this part 1. What is the Lingala word for a barber? Soda, Soloda, Mokatisuki, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Mokatisuki. So that's it. Now we're going to start the second activity. Activity 2, okay, it's a kind of multiple choice as well, 4 choices to pick from. The sentence will be in English and then you have to find the translation of it. Okay, I'll give 5 seconds as well. Off we go. Number 1. How would you say Nathan is a doctor in Lingala? Nathan azali molakisi, Nathan azali monganga, Nathan azali zuzi, Nathan azali moteki. 5 seconds. Nathan azali monganga. Number 2. How would you say Pat is a security guard in Lingala? Pat azali moyekoli, Pat azali molakisi, Pat azali mobini, Pat azali sinzili. 5 seconds. Pat azali sinzili. Number 3. How would you say Debrina is a teacher in Lingala? Debrina azali molakisi, Debrina azali monganga, Debrina azali zuzi, Debrina azali mokangisuki. 5 seconds. Debrina azali molakisi. Number 4. How would you say Estelve is a journalist in Lingala? Estelve azali moteki, Estelve azali mopanzi sango, Estelve azali molobi mbisi, Estelve azali mokangisuki. 5 seconds. Estelve azali mopanzi sango. Number 5. How would you say Ella is a barber? Ella azali moteki, Ella azali molakisi, Ella azali mokatisuki, Ella azali monganga. 5 seconds. Ella azali mokatisuki. Number 6. How would you say Sasha is a learner in Lingala? Sasha azali monganga, Sasha azali molakisi, Sasha azali mobini, Sasha azali moyekoli. 5 seconds. Sasha azali moyekoli. Number 7. How would you say Joel is a fisherman in Lingala? Joel azali molobi mbisi, Joel azali mokangisuki, Joel azali sinzili, Joel azali monganga. 5 seconds. Joel azali molobi mbisi. Number 8. How would you say Zoe is a footballer in Lingala? Zoe azali molakisi, Zoe azali monganga, Zoe azali moyekoli, Zoe azali mobeti ndembo. 5 seconds. Zoe azali mobeti ndembo. Number 9. How would you say Claire is a housemaid in Lingala? Claire azali alanga nzembo, Claire azali molobi mbisi, Claire azali mwana ya musala, Claire azali mopanzi sango. 5 seconds. Claire azali mwana ya musala. Number 10. How would you say Matt is a soldier in Lingala? Matt azali moyekoli, Matt azali molakisi, Matt azali mobini, Matt azali soda. 5 seconds. Matt azali soda. Number 11. How would you say I am a baker in Lingala? Nazali mosali mapa, nazali monganga, nazali alanga nzembo, nazali mokangi suki. 5 seconds. Nazali mosali mapa. Number 12. How would you say Priscilla is a singer in Lingala? Priscilla azali molakisi, Priscilla azali alanga nzembo, Priscilla azali zuzi, Priscilla azali moteki. 5 seconds. Priscilla azali alanga nzembo. Number 13. How would you say Eliada is a judge? Eliada azali zuzi, Eliada azali monganga, Eliada azali moteki, Eliada azali mokangi suki. 5 seconds. Eliada azali zuzi. That's it. Well done. Please don't forget to leave your score in the comment box. If you got 13 out of 13, 12 out of 13, 11 out of 13, 10 out of 13, just leave your score in the comment box. I'll see you next time, but please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's value Lingala. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.